Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today, I will show you how to solve this problem. So if you solve like this, it means you are seeing in the wrong way. For example, you see you can solve like that. 5, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 15 divided by 5 times 3 is 15. So the result is 1. So if you think like that, it means you are wrong. You are solving in the wrong way. Okay. So for this problem, if you want to solve it in the right way, you need to follow the rule of the numerical expression. Yes. In the numerical expression, you need to solve the the number in the bracket first. Yes. When you solve the number in the bracket, it answer is will be like that. 15 divided by 5 times 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And then you don't evaluate 5 times 3 first, because the numerical expression rule, when we have two operations like the division operation and multiplication operation, you need to evaluate from the left to the right. Okay. And at the same time, if you have the two operations like the addition operation and subtraction operation, you also evaluate from the left to the right. So now let's look back to our answer. When when it has a bracket like this, it means it is a multiplication operation. So we can write 15 divide 5 times 3. So now this expression has only two operations, is division operation and multiplication operation. So you need to follow the standard rule of numerical expression by evaluate from the left to the right, from the left to the right. So now 15 divided by 5 is 3 and times 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so now the right answer is 9. It's not 1. Okay, I hope you are understand. If you don't understand or you have any question, you can comment in below my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.